The opposition, as they planned yesterday, have gone ahead and submitted a no-trust motion in Rajya Sabha. 60 opposition MPs have signed on this no-trust motion against Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. The opposition needs the support of 116 MPs. They've got 60 signatures. So as I've been mentioning earlier, this is more of symbolism by the opposition. Nothing really can come of this no-confidence motion because they don't have the numbers. But what is this no-confidence motion about? The opposition essentially has alleged that Vice President Dhankar, who serves as the Rajya Sabha chair, is biased and that opposition benches are being gagged. Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us with more details on this. Aishwarya, run us through really what the messaging is that the opposition is seeking to send with this no-confidence motion. The second one in recent times after, a similar no-confidence motion was passed earlier over that war of words with Jaya Bachchan.
Well, we have seen, Akshita, how the first week, the entire week was a complete washout. On one side, the opposition digging in its heels and saying that we want discussion to take place specifically on the Adani issue. And that is what the Congress, with its 99 MPs, has now been doing. Every day in the morning, Akshita, we see the protest being held right outside Makar Dwar, all of them wearing either masks or jackets. And today, they had those bags on which they had printed the photograph of Prime Minister Modi and Gautam Adani. Now, with regards to this, they have been wanting that, especially if we speak about the upper house, then we want discussion to take place. Now, that's something that Jagdeep Dhankar very clearly has said, that there is a procedure. And if you want to discuss those things, you have to follow the procedure. The opposition now, Akshita, has been saying that there is a bias, that they can clearly see the way in which the chair makes sure that he runs the house. So these are the allegations that the opposition has been pointing towards. They even say names are specifically taken, and they also said that Abhishek Manu Singhvi, the ward of notes that was found out, there was no need for Jagdeep Dhankar to take the seat number and to take the name of Abhishek Manu Singhvi. So with regards to that, they have plethora of complaints, and they are saying that this is just a symbol. We want to give out a message. We want to tell the chairperson that you should not be biased. You need to give us equal opportunity. That's the opposition believes that has not been given to them, at least at the moment.
All right, Aishwarya, just stay with me. Let's talk about really what this no-confidence motion against Rajya Sabha Chair Jagdeep Dhankar actually leads to. It's the Congress that initiated this motion in the Rajya Sabha. They've got support from the Trinamool Congress, from AAP and Samajwadi Party. And this follows escalating tensions with the ruling BJP, particularly after allegations that the BJP has been levelling in the House, linking Congress leaders to George Soros. Now, opposition leaders are accusing Jagdeep Dhankar of showing favoritism in the House, and bolstered by 60 signatures on the no-trust proposal, they've moved that forward as a motion. They've clearly fallen short of the numbers, but the opposition attempting to send out a message. The numbers are heavily tilted towards the NDA, which has 119 members compared to the India bloc, which has 85. Even with support from other members, the opposition falls short of the 116 votes needed for a simple majority to remove Rajya Sabha chairperson from its chair. Of the India bloc's 85, 60 signatures have come for this motion.
जो चेयरमैन साहब है वो अंपायर होते हैं, वो निष्पक्ष होते हैं, पर आज नेता प्रतिपक्ष को मौका नहीं मिला बोलने का। सदन के नेता को बहुत सारे मौके मिले और चुन कर सरकार बीजेपी के जो सांसद हैं उनको बुलाया गया कि बोलो आपको क्या बोलना है। और एक सांसद भुवनेश्वर कलिता जी को कहा गया, वो कुछ बोल रहे थे और चेयर से प्रोत्साहन आता है, नाम किसका है, नाम किसका है, नाम किसका है। तो एक तरफ से ये देखा जाए तो भड़काया जा रहा है सांसदों को बोलने के लिए। ये बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है।
जिस तरह से राज्यसभा की कार्यवाही चल रही है कुछ दिनों से और पहले भी, वो लोकतंत्र के लिए सबसे बड़ा खतरा लगता है। एक वरिष्ठ सभागृह है, वरिष्ठ सदन है, लेकिन आपने कल देखा होगा कोई एक राष्ट्रीय मुद्दा जो बनता ही नहीं है, उसके मुद्दे पर सिर्फ हमको बदनाम करना है अपोजिशन को या सोनिया जी को या और किसी को, और पूरे दिन उसके ऊपर हंगामा करते रहे और चेयरमैन साहब उनको उत्तेजित करते रहे। ये हमने कल देखा है।